Hello, my crafty friends. How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my craft room. I'm here to share a finished journal with you. This is one of the little junky junk journals. So let's get started. This was a lot of fun to make, and here's what it looks like and how it turned out on the front. It is, I'm going to put this in my Etsy shop. It'll be in my Etsy shop when you see this video. And I think it turned out super cute. Uh, we made a lot of it together. So here's the front. You saw the tie closure already with the little beads hanging on the ends of these little strings or this little closure. And then this is the tassel I put together. I had found this, it was like a pom-pom banner at the thrift store, and I pulled it out to make this tassel, this thread, or kind of like almost like I want to say jute twine, kind of like a white twine. It was already running through it, and I thought it was really cute, so I brought it home from the thrift store. I didn't know what I was going to do with it, and I thought when I saw it the other day, when I was finishing up this journal, I was like, oh, that would be a cute little tassel kind of thing hanging from one of these journals. So that's what I did. Here's the back. We used a lot of scraps, a lot of our junky junk to make this journal. So let's untie. I've got some paper, decorated paper clips, and on the top there and on the side. These strings are pretty long, so you have plenty of room to expand this journal and still have, and these are actually kind of stretchy too, whatever they are. Little ties that I saved from something and saved for my ribbon scrap box. So as we open up, here we have a little pocket. I don't think you've seen this little flower added here. It's a flower with some little buttons, and I think when I last left you with this, when we were working on it, I just had done the pages. So I did all the decorating, and we had done some tuck spots too, I think, together. And then now I've done all the decorating and added ephemera and all that kind of thing. So in this first pocket, we have, hold on, here she comes, a little card. I know. So this, since I used this, this is a pile of, or a stack of vintage games, a picture that I cut from a magazine. So that kind of inspired the whole journal. So it started out as a junky junk journal. So I made the cover in that fashion. And then it inspired me to get out my scrapbook paper. So the inside did not end up being junky junk. So, but that's how it started off. So this is like a paper bag, a paper shopping bag here, craft colored, which really is nice and sturdy, and I love the color. In here, since it turned into like a game theme journal, I added this little playing card. It's a little Uno Disney princess card, and that is in there. And then this is just a little tag that I added that you can write on or do something with. You can decorate that, have some fun with it. Now this is from, a few things in here are from the scrapbook paper kit that I use, a collection kit from Echo Park called, what was it called? Family Time. So here's a little card, turn on the stereo and dance. I cut that out. This is the one that had the dominoes on the other side. So cute. This is a page we made together where I sewed on a side tuck here. Now I added these stickers that say movies, memories, and game on from the scrapbook paper. I put this in here because this kind of took on a retro, kind of mid-century modern vibe or theme. And this reminded me of that with these cars at the beach, and they're all it's really cool because I don't know if this is from the 50s. Most postcards, this does say 1958 right there. A lot of postcards don't have a copyright, but this one does. 1958, isn't that cool? So all the cars here, I mean, they're not necessarily 1958, but they're from the 50s. And so it's a very cool vintage, that period of time postcard. Here I have one of my collage kind of scrappy tags. This is a flower sticker, kind of a 3D sticker I have on the top, and then there's writing space on the back. And that is just tucked into this decorated paper clip right here. So that's ledger paper. And then I also have some what I'm going to call game papers or score sheets in here, and this is one of them. I added a little sticker here from the scrapbook paper. It says Family Game Night. And right there it says Champion. Those are so cute. And then some of the scrapbook paper here. This one has all the little people, or the little family people doing things here. You know, Dad is reading a book to the kids, and just lots of fun things on the scrapbook paper. And then here I added a row of vintage tickets along the side here. This is another score sheet here. And those are all vintage from thrift stores. And this is some yellow paper with one of the little stickers. It says Best Friends. And on this side we added some of that pretty ribbon, that grosgrain ribbon that I was showing you. And scrapbook paper here, where I added here a little flip out. This is a divider card, you know, like for index card organization, or recipe cards. So I made that into a little flip out. Here is the children's dictionary, or actually encyclopedia page that we added. And on this side is a little vintage price tag, like I think it's from the shelf, like they used to use in a grocery store maybe. Right here it says 10 cents, and that's a little vintage piece from the thrift store. And on this side I have put in a card. This is a card that you can open up and write inside, or glue a picture or whatever you want inside there. But you have all this room there, and it's a nice little card there. Red paper with up here stickers that says Best Family Ever. Here a little yellow envelope, and this envelope, you can see I glued it down, but I opened it up, so it opens up like this and like this. I forgot how it opened up. I cut the side and the bottom so that it looks like, when you see it, it looks like an envelope, but then you can open it up and write inside, kind of like a little private journaling area there, if you'd like, or you could glue something in there. Here's just this was a cutoff, so I used it as a page. Bridge score sheet here, some graph paper. Here is one of our encyclopedia pages where I took a index card and cut it into pieces and glued it down just for something interesting in to make. This is a way that you can make a journaling space in any journal. Just add something like this to the page when you have text in the background. So that's just an idea and something that I thought would be really cute in here. And sticking with the colors in here, kind of like reds and greens and yellows. Same colors that are in the scrapbook paper that I used. Green paper here with a little, this is a sticker from the scrapbook paper. This is the pocket that we made together, and we put it right in the middle here. So we sewed it together on the sides, and then in the pocket we have a little thumb notch here, so you can get I put a little kind of like a playing card or game card in there also. Cute little one with the colors. Kind of goes with the colors that we're using in here. And then on this, in this pocket over here, I have a card from the kit. This one says Best Family, and it's another one with the dominoes on the back. And that is in there. So back half of the journal here. This is a banner from the scrapbook paper, and I just put some of it right there. And then one of my scrappy tags. That tassel is removable, by the way. It's just held on with the paper clip. I don't think I mentioned that. So one of my decorated paper clips here, and then one of my scrappy tags. Or actually it's a journaling card. I call it a journaling card when it's shaped like that little rectangle. So graph paper. This is the bridge score sheet with a little sticker from the scrapbook paper there. This little girl looks like one of the. I thought the people that were in the scrapbook paper looked like kind of like the Jetsons. It's the Jetsons' cousins because they look similar. So scrapbook paper here with a. This is a little. Well, there's a decorated paper clip here, but I have under here a little booklet, just with some extra little papers. And this is some other. This is scrapbook paper on the front, and the papers are sewn in. That's sewn together on my sewing machine. Here, another little sticker, Family Craft Night. I thought that was a fun one. And then a little milk cap here. This is actual, there's no digitals in here or, copies or anything. So this is actually a vintage one. There was another tab. Did I come across it yet? Oh, I don't think I pointed it out. Let me see, right here. Oh, I did point it out. It's a little price tag sticker. I forgot what it was. And then here, here on the top of this yellow paper, see, do we skip anything? Got the milk cap scrapbook paper. This has the little foods all over it, like ice creams and hot dogs and things, candy bar. Looks like oatmeal cream cookies there. Anyway, on this yellow paper, we have a sticker that says, Turn the radio on and dance. And right here, a little collage or cluster that I made because I added two of these they're little like chip bags that are charms. And this one didn't have a little loop on it. They came with loops on it, but this one was, I guess the loop was gone when I got it, actually. And then this was a little scrap I had here, so I just made this little cluster and glued that down. I thought that was super cute. And then as we turn on the back here, this is the yellow paper. We put some of our pretty ribbon, that's that plaid red ribbon, and here is another envelope here. And this one I did a similar thing with. You flip up the little flap, that is the envelope. Hold on, let me get hold of it. There, and then you can open it up again. So you have all of that room. Just wanted to do something different with the envelopes, so that's what I did in this one. Just kind of like came to me. Something gave me the idea. Probably something I saw somebody else do. And I thought, I could make that into something like this. I don't know. You know how things give you ideas when you're seeing things like, oh, yeah, why don't I do, you put your own spin on it. Anyway, another score sheet there. And then this scrapbook paper here where I have one of my little, this actually has some map paper on it that was from I think this was from a brochure, and it's kind of collaged on here, and then writing paper on the back. It's sewn around, little journaling card under that paper clip. And then here, hanging on the paper clip, is a charm, and it's one of the chip bags. This one says Bugles on it. Bugles, and it's hanging on a little bulb pin. What do the other ones say? The other one says tattoos. So I don't know what tattoos are, but that's what it says. Score sheet here with a little game piece sticker from the scrapbook paper. Here I have a flip out that is actually a stencil. So you can flip that out, and then you have the ledger paper underneath. It's just attached by a hinge here, so it just flips out. And then you can see through this is the J from this stencil set. It was the alphabet and numbers. And so anyway, you can see through there. So I thought that would be fun to have whatever under there, have writing that you can, that will peek through, or a picture or something. Just a fun page. And then back here, in this tuck spot here, I added a sticker, Family by Chance, Friends by Choice. And then this looked like, does this one have a date? This one doesn't have a date. Well, it has 1966 as someone wrote on there. That's interesting. But I thought it looked like a hotel. It's a hotel, and I thought it looked like a hotel from around the same, like 50s, 60s type of hotel that you would have seen then, you know. So anyway, I thought that was cool. Oh, that's another vintage postcard. And then we are at, let's see, what am I stuck to here? Just a second. Sorry, someone was knocking at my door there. But I was just turning this page, and here I have, this is the other side of that scrapbook paper. This has numbers in case you can't see them. I mean letters in rows here, so it's really cute. And then this is a little writing spot, and I have a pocket here. I added this little kind of applique piece here, a little like flower that, you know, kind of matches everything. And then in that pocket, I have two of the cut aparts that were in that scrapbook paper kit. They were so cute, I had to include them. This is one of the bingo cards, a real colorful one that, you know, the colors match, of course, because it's coordinating with the scrapbook paper and the colors. And this one had the kind of mid-century modern starburst on the back, so really cute. And then this one is a little, this was a page of, in case you didn't see where I showed you that scrapbook paper, it was a page of cut aparts that looked like game boxes, and this is one of the games, Monster Mischief. Join the monsters in Monster Manor to locate the secret crypt. So cute, right? That's got some starburst on the back too. So fun. Anyway, I've got a little goodie pack here too. I've been kind of having some fun with using my cellophane bags that I've used from packaging, staying with the using junky junk as much as possible, if you want to call it that. And so, like for the previous journal, I have it sitting here. I haven't listed this one yet, but the video hasn't gone up yet for this one, for this flip through either. But for this one, the little pink bunny one, I used the cellophane bag, reused it, and added the little goodies that are going along with this into the cellophane bag. So I got to that was quite, you know, satisfying that I used it. You know, I don't have it sitting here in my craft room anymore. And this was a little Ziploc bag, this tall, narrow Ziploc bag that was in my bag stash, if you want to call it that. But I just, you know, in both of these, I just picked up some scraps from, you know, from making the journal. So lots of those in here. This is a little, this is a piece of the index card that didn't make it into the journal, where I made that page with the index card that I cut apart. So that's in there. And then, like I said, lots of scraps here, you know, all the cute little pretty pieces that you can do things with. That is all scraps. And then these are the fabric that I used in here I used it for a pocket and for a paper clip. Anyway, a couple of those. So you can make clusters or whatever. There's a thread. I don't think you need that. And then there's some stickers in here that are, well, this looks like, you know, vintage televisions or TVs. And this might be the remote control right there. I'm not sure if that's part of the TV or maybe that's just a control panel. Anyway, that's that. And then there's a few of those like that I had a sticker pack with these in it. And I thought that would be fun to put in here. Here's another one. I guess this is supposed to be a computer. Oh, one of the first little, I guess, I don't know if that's a TV or a computer. But anyway, vintage. Here's the J from the stencil that I put in there. That's what was in the middle, so that can be used for something. This was a journaling card that I had cut from a greeting card. This is a file folder. Stays with the colors. And I thought this pattern actually looked kind of mid-century modern with these spots and things on there, so that's why I picked that one out. Another game card and another kind of mid-century modern pattern there. And then two Rolodex cards are in here. This is a vintage one. It's kind of off-white. It probably used to be maybe more white. I don't know. But and then this blue one too that I got from a thrift store. I got these blue ones. Found them at an antique store actually. So anyway, that's all coming with this journal. And like I said, when you see the video, it will be in my shop. So thank you for watching today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.